morning, students. Through this video, I would like to share some information about human geography of Tamil Nadu. My dear students, என் அன்புக்குரிய மாணவர்களே, what is human geography? Human geography refers to the study of ways of development of human societies and their operation in relation to their physical environment. Human geography refers to the study of ways of development. மனித சமுதாயம் வளர்ச்சி பெற்ற வழிமுறைகள் of human societies and their operation, இயற்கை சூழலுடனான செயல்பாடுகள் in relation to their physical environment. மானுட புவியியல் என்பது மனித சமுதாயம் வளர்ச்சி பெற்ற வழிமுறைகள் மற்றும் இயற்கை சூழலுடனான செயல்பாடுகள் குறித்து கற்றறிதலாகும். It is a learning process. Simply, the branch of geography dealing with how activity affects or is influenced by the earth surface. Example: urban geography, economic geography, cultural geography, political geography, social geography, and population geography. Why is it important? Human geography is a wide-ranging discipline that draws together many of the strands important for understanding the world today. Understanding the world today, இன்று உலகம் எவ்வாறு உள்ளது என்பதை புரிந்து கொள்ளக்கூடிய ஒரு விதமான கல்வி, ஒரு விதமான கற்றல். It examines human societies and how they develop. எவ்வாறு நாம் முன்னேறினோம், எவ்வாறு நாம் முன்னேற வேண்டும், how they develop, எப்படி முன்னேறினோம், their culture, economy and politics, all within the context of their environment. This chapter focuses on the distribution and characteristics and utilization of different resources in Tamil Nadu. We have studied earlier that the earth is endowed with a variety of natural resources such as landforms, rivers, soil, natural vegetation, water, and wildlife. Human beings use these resources using their intelligence and skill. Agriculture. What is agriculture? விவசாயம் என்றால் என்ன? The word agriculture is derived from the Latin words ager and cultura, which means field. Ager means field and cultura means growing. Field and growing. It is the science. Agriculture is the science and art. ஒரு விதமான கலை, அறிவியல் சார்ந்த கலை. It is the science and art of cultivating plants and livestock. Not only cultivating the plants is called as agriculture, along with plantation, along with livestock, cattle rearing. Cattle rearing, கால்நடை வளர்ப்பு என்பதும் ஒரு விதமான விவசாயம். Cultivating plants and livestock, agriculture is the major or primary occupation in Tamil Nadu. Students, it was the key development in the sedentary human civilization. Agriculture provides employment for rural people on a large scale. மிக பெரிய அளவிலான வேலை வாய்ப்புகள் கிராமப்புறங்களில் விவசாய துறையில் இருந்து மட்டுமே கிடைக்கின்றது. Benefits of agriculture: higher crop productivity, reduced impact on natural ecosystem, increased worker status, increased worker safety, less run of chemicals into rivers and groundwater. Students, paddy, millets and pulses are the principal food crops of the state. Geographical determinants of agriculture. விவசாயத்தை தீர்மானிக்கக்கூடிய புவியியல் காரணிகள். What are the factors it help to improve, it help to develop the agriculture? Landform, climate, soil, and irrigation are the factors that determine the growth of agriculture. Landform, நில அமைப்பு, இட அமைப்பு. Our ancient Tamil poetry describes 5 geographical landforms in Tamil country. As we know, these are Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Kurinji, mountain region. Mullai, forest region. Marudam, fertile croplands, which means plains. Neidal, seashore. Palai, the desert. Tamil Nadu is a land of diverse landscape comprising of hills, plateaus, and plains. The plains with alluvial soil enhances agriculture productivity. Alluvial soil மிகவும் முக்கியமான ஒன்று. வண்டல் மண், அதுதான் விவசாயத்தின் உயிர் மூச்சு. Example, plains of Kaveri, agriculture in the plateau is moderate and is poor on the hills. Climate. Tamil Nadu is situated in the tropical zone because which is nearer to the equator. The state experiences a tropical climate. Tropical, what is meant by tropical? Heat, Veppa Ayana Mandalam. The temperature in Tamil Nadu is relatively high almost throughout the year. ஆண்டு முழுவதும் வெப்பம் என்பது மிக அதிகமாக காணப்படக்கூடிய ஒரு மாநிலம் தமிழ்நாடு. So only the tropical crops are cultivated. இங்கே அதனால்தான் வெப்ப மண்டலத்தின் சார்பாக வெப்ப மண்டலத்தில் எந்த விதமான பயிர்கள் வளர்கின்றனவோ அவ்விதமான பயிர்கள் பயிர் செய்யப்படுகின்றன. Northeast monsoon is the major source of rainfall for Tamil Nadu. Therefore, the major cropping season begins with this season, Northeast monsoon season, October to December. The rainfall in this season and the irrigation facilities affect agriculture to a large extent. Soil. Soil is the skin of earth. It's one of the most important essential elements of agriculture. It provides minerals, nutrients, ஊட்டச்சத்துக்களை கொடுக்கின்றது for the growth of crops and vegetation. The regions of river valleys, ஆற்றங்கரை சமவெளிகள், the plain land of river valleys and coastal plains are the most productive regions of the state as they are covered with fertile alluvial soil. The predominant soils of Tamil Nadu are red soil, laterite soil, black soil, alluvial soil, and saline soil. Red loam soil. This soil occupies a large part of the state, particularly interior districts, including the coastal areas. Irrigation. Tamil Nadu, the areas covered by different types of irrigation and extensive in certain districts and negligible in others. Monsoon rainfall in the state is highly irregular. பருவமழை தமிழ்நாட்டில் காலம் தவறிதான் பெய்யும். பொதுவாக monsoon rainfall in the state is highly irregular. Hence, irrigation becomes necessary for successful cultivation of crops in the state. Cropping seasons in Tamil Nadu. Being the southernmost state in India, Tamil Nadu being the southernmost state in India, Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate throughout the year because which is nearer to the equator. The state has 3 distinct weather patterns in a year: winter, summer, and monsoon. During the summer season, the daytime temperature in Tamil Nadu reaches up to 40 degrees Celsius. So the farmers select different crops for different seasons of cultivation. It's based on the temperature and availability of moisture in the soil. Name of the season: Swarnavari, Sittirai Pattam. The month of sowing, April to May. Harvesting month, August, September. Major crops. What are the crops are cultivating in this season? Millets and cotton. Samba, ஆடிப்பட்டம். ஆடிப்பட்டம் தேடி பார்த்து விதைக்கணும் கண்ணையா. ஆடிப்பட்டம் தேடி விதை என்று சொல்வார்கள். Samba, the season of Samba. The month of sowing, July, August. Harvesting month, January, February. Major crops, paddy and sugarcane. The next season, Navarai. Month of sowing, November, December. Harvesting month, February, March. Then major crops, fruits, vegetables, cucumber and watermelon. Distribution of major crops in Tamil Nadu. Paddy, millets and pulses are the principal food crops of the state. Not only that, sugarcane, cotton, sunflower, coconut, cashew, chilies, groundnut, tea, coffee, cardamom and rubber are the major commercial crops of Tamil Nadu. Paddy. Paddy is the most important food crop of Tamil Nadu. Arisi, nil, ponni and kichadi samba are the major varieties of paddy grown in Tamil Nadu. Though it is cultivated all over Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur, Tiruvarur, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Viluppuram, Kadalur and Tirunelveli districts. The deltaic region of River Kaveri, the undivided Tanjavur district, is the major rice producing region of Tamil Nadu. So this region is rightly called as the granary of Tamil Nadu. தென்னிந்தியாவின் தமிழகத்தின் நெற்களஞ்சியம் என்று அழைக்கப்படுவது தஞ்சாவூர் மாவட்டம். Millets. Millets, சிறுதானியங்கள், சோளம், ராகி, கம்பு are the major millets. These are grown not only in drier areas but also in the coastal plains also. Sorghum. Sorghum means solam. Solam is grown in the Coimbatore plateau and Kambam Valley. Kambam Valley means the Theni region. Theni and their surrounding regions. Ragi grows in Coimbatore, Dharmaburi, Vellore and Kadalur districts. Bajra means kambu. Kambu is mostly cultivated in Ramanathapuram, Tirunelveli, Karur, Perambalur and Salem districts. India observed 2018 as National Year of Millets. 2018 as a National Year of Millets. FAO has decided to observe 2023 as the International Year of Millets. Pulses. Pulses are the major source of protein. Bengal gram, black gram, green gram, horse gram, கொள்ளுப்பருப்பு, மொச்சப்பயிறு, தட்டப்பயிறு, உளுந்தம்பருப்பு, துவரம்பருப்பு. These are the crops or the important pulses grown in Tamil Nadu. Pulses are grown in a wide range of climatic conditions, mostly in drier regions, with or without irrigation. Mild, cool climate and a low to moderate rainfall are the best suitable climate for these crops. Pulses serve as excellent fodder. Pulses are grown in almost all the districts in the state except Chennai, Nilgiris and Kanyakumari because these are the three regions has received heavy rainfall region. So that Coimbatore leads in the production of Bengal gram. Vellore and Kanyakumari district produce red gram. Tiruvarur, Nagapattinam and Thuthukudi districts are the principal producers of green gram, pasipairu and black gram. Horse gram is widely cultivated in Dharmaburi and Krishnagiri districts. Oil seeds. Groundnut, coconut, sunflower and mustard are some of the oil seeds that are grown in Tamil Nadu. Apart from its use in food preparation, it's used in industries as a lubricant. in the manufacture of varnish, soap, bathing soap, candles, cosmetics, lipstick, eyeliner, nail polish, etc., and pharmacy products, some drugs. Groundnut is the major oil seed of the state. Groundnut, Nilakadalai. The cultivation of groundnut is mostly concentrated in Vellore district. Not only Vellore, Tiruvannamalai, Viluppuram, Salem, and Pudukkottai district also. It also grown to some extent in Dharmaburi, Kadalur, Perambalur, and Madurai, Erode, Ramanathapuram, Sivagangai, and Virudhunagar districts are its minor producers. Sivagangai, Virudhunagar districts are its minor producers. Coconut is grown in Coimbatore, Tanjavur, and Kanyakumari districts. Sugarcane, the major crop of the Tamil Nadu. It's sowing the month July, harvesting month January. The season of the month is Samba, Adipattam. It's one of the major cash crop of the state. It's an annual crop. ஆண்டு பயிர், ஒரு முறை பயிரிட்டால் harvesting, அறுவடை செய்வதற்கு அடுத்த வருடம். It requires high temperature and heavy rainfall. மழையின் அளவும் அதிகமாக இருக்க வேண்டும், வெயிலின் அளவும் மிக அதிகமாக இருக்க வேண்டும். It grows well in the tropical region. வெப்ப அயன மண்டலத்தில் மட்டுமே வரக்கூடிய ஒரு பயிர். Sugarcane, கரும்பு. Major sugarcane producing districts are Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Vellore, Kadalur, Tiruchirappalli, Coimbatore, Erode, and Tirunelveli. Cotton, பணப்பயிர், பருத்தி. Cotton is a fiber and cash crop. பணப்பயிர் என்று சொல்வார்கள். It is predominantly cultivated in Coimbatore Plateau and Vaigai Viper River basins because it requires black soil, long frost-free condition, and warm and humid weather for its cultivation. Humid means moisture. Humid weather in the early stages and hot, dry weather during harvest period is suitable for this crop. விதைக்கும் பொழுது ஈரப்பதமாக இருக்க வேண்டும். அறுவடை செய்யும் பொழுது வறட்சியான பருவம் இருக்க வேண்டும். Dry weather during harvest period is suitable for this crop. It is also cultivated in Madurai, Ramanathapuram, Virudhunagar, Tirunelveli, Thuthukudi, Salem, and Dharmaburi districts. Plantation crops. What is meant by plantation? Plantation crops are cultivated for the purpose of exports. These are cultivated in large estates on hilly slopes. Tea, coffee, rubber, and spices are the major plantation crops in Tamil Nadu. Tea, coffee, cashew, rubber, and chincona are the major plantation crops of the state. Tamil Nadu ranks second in area and production of tea in India next to Assam. First Assam, second place Tamil Nadu. Tea plantations are found in the hills of Nilgiris and Coimbatore. The Nilgiris is the notable region for tea plantation. Simply சொல்லணும்னா ஊட்டி போய் டீ தூள் வாங்கிட்டு வரணுமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Tea plantations are found in the hills of the Nilgiris and Coimbatore region. Coffee plants are grown in the hills of Western Ghats as well as Eastern Ghats also. It's also found in the hilly slopes of Dindigul, Madurai, Theni, and Salem districts. Yerkadu, Kolli Hills, and Kodaikanal Hills are notable for coffee plantation. Tamil Nadu stands second in area and production of coffee next to Karnataka. CK. Coffee, first Karnataka, second Tamil Nadu. Tea, first Assam, second Tamil Nadu. Pepper is confined to the warm and wet slopes. மிளகு. அன்று ஒரு நாள் 1497ஆம் ஆண்டு வாஸ்கோடகாமா இந்தியாவிற்கு பயணம் மேற்கொண்டதற்கான முக்கிய காரணம் பெப்பர். Pepper is major crop on those days, not only now, on those days. முன்னொரு காலத்தில். Pepper is confined to the warm and wet slopes of eastern and western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Cashew, mundri. Cashew is extensively cultivated in Kadalur district. Livestock. Livestock means simply cattle rearing, கால்நடை வளர்ப்பு, animal husbandry. Livestock has remained an integral part of socio-economic fabric of rural people. Along with agriculture, பயிர் செய்யும் பொழுது கூடவே கால்நடைகளையும் வளர்ப்பது விவசாயியின் முக்கிய தொழிலாகும். Goat. Goat is also known as poor man's cow. Poor man's cow, also known as poor man's cow in India. It forms a very important component in dry land farming system. வறட்சியான பிரதேசங்களில் வளர்க்கப்படுவது ஆடுகள். In the marginal or undulating lands unsuitable for rearing of the other types of cattle like cow or buffalo, goat is the best alternative. மாடு மற்ற கால்நடைகள் வளர்க்க முடியாத பிரதேசங்களில் ஆடு என்பதுதான் மிகச்சிறந்த கால்நடை வளர்ப்பாகும். With very low investment, goat rearing can be made into a profitable venture for small and marginal farmers. Sheep. Goat வெள்ளாடு, sheep செம்மறியாடு. Sheep is used for multiple purposes like wool, meat, milk, skin and manure, and forms an important component of the rural economy, particularly in the arid region, dry region, semi-arid and mountains areas of Tamil Nadu. It provides a dependable source of income to the shepherds, ஆடு மேய்ப்பவர்கள், shepherds, through the sale of wool and animals. Fishing, fish catching, மீன் பிடித்தல். Since Tamil Nadu is a coastal state, Tamil Nadu கடற்கரை மாநிலம், கடல் பகுதிகள் அதிகமாக இருக்கின்றன. Fishing is one of the major occupations in the state. அக்ரிகல்ச்சர் விவசாயம் சார்ந்தது போல, விவசாயம் செய்வது போல மீன் பிடித்தலும் இங்கே முக்கிய தொழிலாக உள்ளது. Fishing is one of the major occupations in the state. With widespread reservoirs and rivers, inland fishing is also seen to be a considerable extent. கடற்கரையில் கடலில் மீன் பிடிப்பதை போல உள் மாநிலங்களிலும் ரிவர்ஸ் ஆறுகளிலும் மற்றும் குளங்களிலும் மீன் பிடித்தல் இங்கு நடைபெற்று கொண்டிருக்கின்றன. Fishing, it can be divided into two types: marine fishing, inland fishing. So what is marine fishing? Marine fishing is carried out in oceans and seas. It's called as marine fishing. Large mechanized boats are used for fishing. Large mechanized boat, மிக பெரிய படகுகள் பயன்படுத்தப்படுகின்றன. The fish varieties caught are sharks, flying fish, conch, catfish, silver bellies and crabs. These are the fish varieties caught in marine. Chennai, Kanyakumari, Tirunelveli, Nagapattinam, Tanjavur and Ramanathapuram districts, coastal districts, contribute about 40% of marine fish production in the state. These are the districts contribute about 40% of marine fish production in the state. Inland fishing. So what is inland fishing? Inland fishing is carried out in lakes, river, ponds, estuaries, backwater and swamps. Kattumaram, diesel boats and floating nets are used in fishing. At there, marine fishing, large mechanized boats are used for fishing. But in here, inland fishing, Kattumaram, diesel boats and floating nets are used in fishing. Oysters and prawns are cultured in original nurseries. Vellore leads with 10% of state production. Kadalur, Sivagangai and Virudhunagar districts stand second with 9% of inland fish catch each. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this.